Have you ever put on an outfit and felt like something was just off? In this video, I'll reveal 12 common style mistakes that could be holding you back from looking your best, and how to fix them instantly. Your style is your first impression. Small mistakes can distract from an otherwise beautiful outfit, but with a few tweaks, you can take your look from average to elegant in no time. Let's make sure your style always leaves a lasting impression for all the right reasons. Whether it's for a job interview, a date, or just a casual day out, feeling confident in your appearance can make all the difference. This video is packed with practical advice that's easy to apply, so grab a notebook or simply follow along. By the end, you'll have a complete checklist to refine your style and elevate your wardrobe effortlessly. 1. Wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Clothes that don't fit properly can ruin even the most expensive outfit. Oversized garments might drown your frame, while overly tight ones can look uncomfortable and unflattering. The solution? Focus on fit over price. Tailor your clothes to suit your body shape. For instance, a blazer with the perfect shoulder fit and sleeves hemmed to your wrists can make you look effortlessly polished. It's worth investing in minor alterations for key wardrobe pieces, as this transforms off-the-rack items into a custom look. Additionally, consider trying garments in different sizes or cuts. Sometimes a slightly different silhouette can be far more flattering for your body type. 2. Neglecting grooming. Even a stunning outfit won't save you from the impact of messy hair, chipped nails, or wrinkled clothes. Grooming is as important as your wardrobe. Imagine wearing an elegant dress, but with unkempt hair or wrinkled fabric. It immediately diminishes the effort. Make grooming a habit. A steamer is your best friend for wrinkle-free clothes, and regular haircuts keep your appearance fresh. Don't overlook your hands. Neatly trimmed nails or a simple manicure add a layer of refinement. Additionally, focus on skincare. Healthy, glowing skin is a foundation for looking radiant and polished. Investing time in a consistent grooming routine not only elevates your appearance, but also boosts your confidence. Subtle touches like clear lip balm or a spritz of perfume can go a long way in making you look and feel your best. 3. Overloading accessories. Accessories are the finishing touch to any outfit, but overdoing it can overwhelm your look. Stacking on necklaces, bracelets, or oversized earrings at once may distract from your overall style. Instead, focus on one standout piece. If you wear a statement necklace, let it shine by pairing it with subtle stud earrings. Accessories should enhance your outfit, not compete with it. This simplicity ensures you appear effortlessly elegant. For example, a structured handbag or a sleek watch can say a lot about your style without overcomplicating your look. 4. Ignoring footwear. Shoes often make or break an outfit. Imagine a tailored suit paired with scuffed or inappropriate shoes. It takes the whole look down a notch. Always wear clean, polished shoes that match your outfit. For versatility, invest in timeless styles like neutral-colored pumps, classic loafers, or sleek ankle boots. These styles pair well with almost any wardrobe and ensure you look polished from head to toe. Remember, footwear is one of the first things people notice. Also, make sure your shoes are comfortable. Elegance is hard to maintain if you're hobbling around in pain. Additionally, consider the occasion when selecting your footwear. Sneakers might work for a casual outing, but a chic pair of heeled boots or leather loafers will elevate your look for formal or business settings. 5. Choosing flashy colors or patterns. Bold colors and busy patterns can quickly make your outfit look chaotic. While bright or patterned items can add personality, balance is key. Stick to neutral tones for your base pieces and limit patterns to one part of your outfit. For instance, a floral patterned blouse works beautifully when paired with solid trousers. Neutral tones like beige, white, and black not only exude sophistication, but also allow your outfit to remain timeless. If you're new to neutrals, start with accessories like a beige scarf or a black handbag to ease into the look. 6. Visible bra straps or poor undergarments. Visible bra straps, panty lines, or mismatched undergarments can ruin an otherwise polished look. Choosing the right undergarments is essential for ensuring your outfit looks seamless. Invest in nude, strapless, or adhesive bras for tricky necklines, and seamless underwear for fitted dresses or pants. Shapewear can also help create a smooth silhouette under formal or fitted clothing. Remember, your undergarments are the foundation of your look. They should remain discreet while providing support. For special occasions, consider specialty lingerie that enhances both comfort and elegance. 7. Following every trend. Trendy pieces can be fun, but building your entire wardrobe around fleeting trends leads to a disjointed and unsustainable style. Following every trend often results in items that feel outdated quickly. Instead, focus on timeless wardrobe staples like blazers, trench coats, and tailored trousers. Add trends sparingly, like a modern accessory or seasonal color, to freshen up your outfits without overshadowing their elegance. A capsule wardrobe filled with versatile pieces ensures you're always ready for any occasion without chasing the latest fad. 8. Neglecting posture. No matter how stunning your outfit is, poor posture can take away its impact. Slouching, looking down, or dragging your feet can make you appear less confident and less put together. Practicing good posture can instantly elevate your presence. Stand tall with your shoulders back and chin slightly raised. Good posture not only boosts your confidence, but also enhances how your clothes fit and move with your body. Incorporate posture exercises into your routine to make this a habit. Remember, confidence is a key element of style. Wear it proudly. 9. Ignoring proportions. An unbalanced outfit, like pairing an oversized top with baggy bottoms, can distort your silhouette. Balance is key to creating a flattering look. Match fitted pieces with looser ones, like pairing slim fit jeans with an oversized sweater or a fitted blouse with wide leg trousers. Accessories like belts can also help define your waist, enhancing your overall shape. Paying attention to proportions ensures your outfit looks harmonious and intentional. For example, if you're wearing a long coat, balance it with heeled boots to elongate your frame. 10. Skipping details. Small details matter more than you think. Loose threads, missing buttons, or lint on your clothes can make an otherwise polished outfit look careless. Before leaving the house, do a final check in the mirror for any small adjustments. Keep tools like a lint roller, mini sewing kit, and shoe polish handy for quick fixes. A few extra minutes spent perfecting these details can elevate your look significantly. Ironing collars, cleaning jewelry, and even tucking in shirts properly can have a noticeable impact on your overall presentation. 11th. Overlooking occasion-specific dressing. Wearing the wrong attire for an event can make you feel out of place and unpolished. For example, wearing casual sneakers to a semi-formal event or overdressing for a simple outing can throw off your style. Always consider the dress code or setting before deciding what to wear. A little planning ensures your outfit is both appropriate and stylish. 12th. Wearing damaged or worn-out clothing. Clothes with visible wear and tear, such as faded colors, frayed edges, or missing buttons, instantly reduce the quality of your look. Regularly inspect your wardrobe for items that need repairs or replacements. If a piece is beyond fixing, it's time to part with it and invest in a high-quality replacement. Maintaining your clothing shows that you care about your appearance and value the effort behind your style. Looking polished and elegant is all about the details. By avoiding these 12 common mistakes and following the simple fixes I've shared, you'll always step out feeling confident and put together. Small adjustments can lead to big transformations in how you present yourself to the world. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Or do you have your own secret tip for always looking stylish? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips on timeless style and elegance. And remember, elegance is for everyone. Let's make it a part of your everyday life. See you in the next video.